Hello, it's Mike. Just going to run through some minimise and maximise options you have on your computer. So the first one is the middle one, which is a square. That is the maximise button. So if you click that, it will fit your application to the screen. And then next to it, the minus is the minimise, and then the X is the close. So we'll just hit the minimise button. From here, if you hover over your application, go to the window, right click, you have the option to maximise or restore. They're pretty much the same things. And it'll open it up like that. There's another way you can do it, which is from the bar at the top here. If you right click, you've got the option to minimise, maximise and restore. So if I just make that smaller, there we go, you can see. Another way of doing it is if you hold the Windows key and press down twice, that minimises, up twice will maximise. And then if you press Alt and Spacebar, you also get the options here as well. So you can click, because sometimes when you open a window, it will open larger than your screen, and this is a good way to get it to fit back to the screen size. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Give it a like and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.